Now available for your 2018 Mustang GT, our Legend exhaust. The Legend series here is developed for the non-active valve Mustang GT. And for those who do have the active valve, we do have the Redline, which does give you the variability in the sound built in with that active valve. Well, this is our Legend series, which is a counterpoint to that. The Legend series was developed with the daily driver in mind. The Redline's, let's just say it's your crazy uncle. The Legend, it's a little bit quieter, but when you step on the gas, it's definitely going to give you the performance and it's going to give you the sound that you want. This system was designed to either connect to the factory connection point of your exhaust manifolds or of course to our headers, both in 1 7/8 and 2 inch. It's a full 3-inch system throughout with your choice of either an H or an X pipe configuration. Of course, everything that you see here is made in the US, fully 304 stainless steel, hand TIG welded throughout with a lifetime warranty. So give us a call at Stainless Works, 1-800-878-3635, or visit us at stainlessworks.net.